You're going to be able to get that swizzle stick in there?
Nope. We'll figure it out. The drink will melt it, then the stick will go in.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the best part.
It's going to be good.
I don't know what's going to happen. So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. What are gourmet cocktails? Danny and Derek we're gonna make.
It's fucking time sensitive. It is time sensitive.
Chartreuse Swizzle. It could be time sensitive. Hold on a minute. I gotta figure out when my camera is shut off.
Oh, Jesus. Hold on.
No, you keep going.
We got ice. All right. So we got.
What do we got?
1.5 ounces of green chartreuse.
Yes.
An ounce of pineapple juice. 3/4 fresh lime juice.
I'm getting there.
And then 1/2 ounce of falernum.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going syrup falernum.
Yes.
Or you could do.
We could use the velvets.
Or you could do the velvet.
I don't really know like the difference in sugar content. This is going to have more sugar than this. This is more alcohol than that. But flavor wise, whoa.
Look at that. Cool. That looks pretty cool.
So we don't know what we're doing. This is the best part. So the ingredient, the recipe says you're supposed to basically put all the ingredients in, stick a swizzle stick in there and swizzle it, which is, if you see a swizzle stick, it's usually like it's got a little propeller on the bottom. Like I was thinking you would just use this. You stick that in, you go like this and swizzle it. But fuck, I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm just enjoying watching whatever the hell this is.
Yeah,
so
something will come out.
Yeah, he
I don't even know if all it's going to fit in there.
Nope.
You still have a 1/2 ounce of falernum to go.
And 3/4 ounce of lime juice.
What? Oh, yeah.
You probably should have put the falernum in first.
But
now it's just going to be syrup on top.
No, it'll
Don't fuck it up.
We'll swizzle the shit out of this. Oh, dude, it just went right in for you.
Look at
that. So this said to put all your ingredients in and then pack it with additional ice. I'm starting to understand the science behind why they said pack it with additional ice. What the hell are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're gonna shake it and then pour it all in, integrate it?
Get rid of some of this ice. I overdid it on the ice, I admit it.
I never admit it.
Oh, so the goal was you were.
It's already diluted. We're fucked.
What you know? It's not diluted. It's so cold right now.
Crushed
ice gets.
Do you know how
cold.
much ice is in there to keep it?
It's already at temp.
I know.
Yeah, he was jamming this thing in.
You should have stopped when you had the thumb hole in the ice.
I should have, and then I put an extra fist in there.
I know.
He was fisting my tag bag like it was like there was no tomorrow.
The thumb's okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You just gotta,
it'll be perfect. See? Oh, it's perfect.
Oh, look at that sitting right on top like that. Oh, I want to drink
that
right from
sucked
the top.
right in.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you could swizzle the bitch out of that.
Oh. Oh yeah, you can swizzle that.
You just stick it down in the middle and just drill it. Drill it like with that ice
packed in there. It's like
that ice is not getting.
Yeah, don't worry.
It's not swizzling.
Oh, it's swizzled.
No, you gotta swizzle
a little bit more.
Yeah, I can still see difference in colors.
Yeah, come on. There you go. There you go.
It's swizzled like it's the first.
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
He swizzled it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. Swizzle like the first.
I knew it was gonna work.
Yeah, there you go. that was a lot for this, but it's cold. Ooh, it's better. It's like
don't be rubbing it like that. It's gonna get warm.
Top that with some additional crushed ice.
No, there is some frost on the outside of this thing. That's how cold that thing is. This thing is ready to go.
Do we have to drink it with a swizzle stick in it?
I don't think we do.
Okay.
I don't think Ian wanted to take it out.
There's a visual impact there that I was going for.
Okay.
And I think it's been achieved.
Okay.
So now that we've achieved your visual impact, are we supposed to leave the swizzle in or take it out?
Live in the art.
So
just leave it in.
How do I drink it though?
You got this.
I'm gonna get ice all over my
Don't
wrist.
be a baby.
Drink it like a man.
Yeah.
Try that. See how it works for you.
You're gonna get hit with a swizzle stick.
Yeah, you will. You gotta hold back the swizzle stick.
Oh, interesting.
What does that mean, Jay? When he says it like that?
It's earthy.
No, it's not earthy this time.
No.
A little bit, but pineapple.
Oh, I can see us in the
I'm
spoon.
not a big fan of pineapple.
Can you see us in the spoon?
I do.
All three of us.
Yeah, look at that.
That looks like a Pearl Jam album cover.
Yeah, I know.
There you go.
It's the artistic.
We'll call it the Green Album.
I like that.
I
like Chartreuse anyway.
But you know what? With the coldness, you know what you get?
It's cold. Cold fingers.
Tongue?
You get cold fingers. Stick your thumb in cold fingers. No, Stick your thumb in and get cold fingers.
He's trying, folks.
I had a lot of this already. You stick your thumb in, and then you get a cold finger.
You get
a cold thumb.
You get icy bums
on a finger. Yeah.
Have some more mango yogurt effect, buddy. It's the
Cass is staring at me.
It's the
I want some.
She is
No,
fucking-
it's good.
it's the
It's good.
star anise. It's the
The chocolate starfish and the hot dog flavored water.
black licorice flavor.
Oh yeah, anise.
You're getting a lot of anise out of this.
Yes.
Anise.
Yeah, but chartreuse has like the anise flavor, like the herbal
frosty.
flavor.
But it's not
This-
bad.
The
This-
glass did frost up.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know,
Oh, it's
It's
cold.
awesome.
There's no doubt about it. So this has clove, that has star anise or some sort of anise. I don't know what they put in this.
I don't usually like star anise, and it's good.
It's got like the sambuca, black licorice, absinthe-like
Yeah.
flavor. Wow, you can't even pick the shit up because it slides right out of your hands from all that iciness. Got a hole from the bottom.
Let's go.
If you want a summertime swizzle,
This thing will cool you the heck up.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely herbal. But
Yeah.
I mean, it's chartreuse. You just literally put chartreuse
Yeah.
with the juice, and
It's like if you do an absinthe frap. It's gonna taste like absinthe.
right.
Yeah, crazy.
That's fucking true. Now, and this probably tastes kind of like an absinthe
Ridiculous.
frap, to be honest with you.
Yeah,
This is like an
very
absinthe
frap-like.
frap without the massive amount of alcohol.
Yeah, and with some extra flavor because an absinthe frap is basically just
Absinthe.
absinthe, right?
There's something that fraps it up. I don't remember what it is though. There's something. It's another thing in
I
there.
don't know, maybe there's a sugar component.
Yeah, well, I'm getting probably.
Yeah.
But the absinthe fraps, being all absinthe, is going to be like strong. Like that's like 150 proof. This is like probably what 35, 37. So this is a light, refreshing drink for the near the pool. I don't think I could have more than one of these though, because of the herbalness of it. It's intense.
Absinthe,
No.
simple syrup, club soda in it.
Yeah, sugar and
so-
absinthe.
It's like almost sweet.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet.
Oh, yeah.
It's
It's not bad.
chartreuse up.
Yeah.
Like
Well, I mean, it's
it.
you know, sometimes comments aren't helpful.
You're talking about the peanut gallery?
Yeah. No.
So
You want
here's
to throw a cucumber slice at them?
Yes.
here's my analysis.
Yes.
I right through one. You can throw that one.
I can throw that one. Oh.
Right between them, you split the uprights.
You're supposed to eat
You
it.
know it's gonna come
Extra
back
life.
2 times faster.
Extra life.
I can hear it
You have to
flopping
change
off
things
the
up.
couch.
Here.
Extra life.
Really?
General.
At the end of the day,
Mm.
this is a solid drink to try, but you're probably
If you
gonna
have
find
chartreuse.
you're gonna find chartreuse. Green chartreuse might be tough to get.
It's not cheap.
It's not cheap.
And
So-
you have to have falernum.
Yeah, that's not. You can go to like Total Wine and grab at least this. You get it'll probably be a little stronger, or maybe not as sweet,
I think, it would definitely be.
but like it's still like chartreuse. It's like up in the chartreuse. It's 2 ounces of chartreuse, right? Or no, 1.5 ounces. What the fuck?
Yeah, 1.5 ounces.
It's a good knife. It cuts sharp and smooth. It's great.
It should. It's a
Taste
Like-
it when you eat the cucumber. It tastes good.
what?
Yeah.
Who knew?
Tastes good.
You should always have a cucumber at home.
It's
Ooh, let's just
like a
do
little
So
refreshing.
many things are good with cucumber.
dip
Yeah.
it on when this came out. Early 2000s recipe from this is from Smuggler's Cove.
Nice.
It's a tiki bar.
Yeah.
So Jonathan? No.
It's because they had chartreuse
Martin
and they're
Kate?
like, what are we going to do with this bottle?
Martin Kate? Is
Yeah, I
he
think it's Martin
still?
He's the guy that owns Smuggler's Cove. So if you're in San Francisco, hit up Smuggler's Cove and see if they maybe still have that on the menu. Probably Chartreuse Swizzle. If not, make one at home. There you go. We're done.
Yeah. If you have chartreuse, you definitely need to make it.
Down below, there's a link for the bartender starter kit. You should get one of those.
Yeah. Recommendation is take it easy on the crushed ice. See how it works out for you. And adjust.
You don't have to pound it in there.
Yeah, don't pound it.
Right. You just
Little thumb.
place it in there, make the drink, add some more on top. That's it. Lesson for you from us, so you don't have to do it yourself. Teach you how to drink.